Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get and use the Snowball in Grow a Garden game of Roblox new Christmas event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to show you how you can get this snowball. Before I show you how we can use the snowball, I'm going to show you how you can get it. If you want to get snowballs, guys, you need to have the Snowman Soul Deer in your garden. And you can unlock the Snowman Soul Deer from the Season Pass. Okay, you need to reach level 2 to get the Snowman Soul Deer and place it on your garden. And then you will get the snowball from the Snowman Soul Deer. Every 3 minutes, it can grant 3 to 6 snowballs. And if you want to get if you want to use this snowball, guys, just throw it like this and it can create snowball effect. And you can play around with your friend using this snowball. It's not that useful, but yeah, you can try it for fun. Just like this. Just throw it, guys. Okay guys, and that's how you can get and use snowballs in a Grow a Garden game of Roblox new Christmas event update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!